Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza is both the largest and the oldest of the Giza pyramids. It was constructed as a tomb and monument for the pharaoh Khufu, and completed around 2560 BC. Like the other pyramids, it is built out of vast blocks of granite and limestone that would have been quarried, transported and assembled by hand. In total, around 2.3 million blocks of stone were used to create the pyramid, which was originally encased in smooth white limestone. According to the Greek historian Herodotus, this architectural feat required a workforce of 100,000 men and took 20 years to complete. In its heyday, the pyramid would have stood 481 feet, 146.5 meters, tall. It was the world's tallest man-made structure for more than 3,800 years. The entrance is located on the north face and leads via a series of corridors to the Queen's and King's chambers. The pyramid was opened and looted by the pharaohs of the Middle and New Kingdoms, who may have used its contents to furnish their own tombs at the Valley of the Kings near Luxor. In Hellenistic times, the Great Pyramid was named as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Despite being the oldest of the ancient wonders, it is also the only one that still exists today.